In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dsers. To get started, head over to the Dsers website and create a free account. During setup, Dsers will ask you to choose your e-commerce platform, such as Shopify, and then authorize the connection so the app can be installed into your store properly. This connection is important because it allows Dsers to communicate with your storefront, manage product imports, and help automate order fulfillment later on. After that, you'll also be prompted to log into your AliExpress account so you can link your supplier's source to Dsers. Once both connections are in place, your account is ready for the next part of the process. Now it's time to import products. One of the easiest ways to do this is by installing the Dsers Chrome extension. This lets you browse products and import them directly while you're searching. If you prefer, you can also use the Find Suppliers feature inside the Dsers dashboard. That tool helps you search for products by keyword or even by image, which can be useful when you already have an item in mind or want to explore trending options. When you find a product you want to sell, simply click Add to Import List. Think of this list as your staging area before anything goes live in your store. Once your items are in the import list, open that section inside Dsers and begin customizing the product details. This is where you can edit the title, rewrite the description, adjust the variants, and set your pricing. Taking time here is worthwhile because it helps you make the listing fit your brand and store style instead of looking copied directly from a supplier page. After everything looks the way you want, click Push to Store to publish the product directly to your e-commerce website. Next, make sure your product mapping is set up correctly. In the Dsers dashboard, go to My Products, then open the Mapping section. This step connects the products and variants in your store to the correct supplier listings on AliExpress. It's especially important for things like sizes, colors, and other options because proper mapping helps prevent mistakes when orders come in. Finally, let's look at order fulfillment. When a customer places an order in your store, that order will automatically sync into the Open Orders section in Dsers. From there, go to the Awaiting Order tab and choose the orders you want to process. Click Order, then confirm payment on AliExpress. Dsers makes this easier by allowing you to pay for multiple orders at once, which saves a lot of time as your store grows. After the supplier ships the item, the tracking number updates automatically and syncs back to your customer's order receipt, helping keep the fulfillment process smooth and organized.